Sure, here's a YouTube video script for the 2026 Suzuki Spacia, written in a casual, engaging style suitable for car enthusiasts or a general audience. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 Suzuki Spacia, one of the most anticipated kei cars coming out of Japan this year. Compact, stylish, and incredibly smart, this little box is redefining what small cars can do. From the outside, the 2026 Spacia looks sharp. Suzuki has given it a more modern and refined look, with sleeker LED headlamps, a slightly bolder front grille, and cleaner lines that somehow make it look both playful and upscale. It's still a kei car, so it keeps those classic boxy dimensions, but with a much more futuristic vibe. Now let's talk about the interior, and wow, Suzuki didn't hold back. You're getting a surprisingly spacious cabin thanks to the upright design, with tons of headroom and legroom even for taller passengers. The dashboard is minimalistic but functional, with a large touchscreen infotainment system right in the center. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard, and a digital instrument cluster that feels more premium than you'd expect in this segment. But here's where the 2026 Spacia really gets interesting: safety and tech. Suzuki has packed this thing with advanced driver assistance features. We're talking lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, and even facial recognition for driver fatigue detection. In a kei car, it's insane how much tech is packed into such a small package. Under the hood, Suzuki continues with its efficient hybrid setup, a 660cc engine paired with a mild hybrid system. It's not about speed, obviously, it's about squeezing out maximum fuel efficiency in the city. Expect around 30 to 35 km per liter depending on driving conditions, which is outstanding. And for those looking for even more efficiency and smoothness, there's a fully electric version rumored to be in development, though Suzuki hasn't officially confirmed that yet. One of the coolest features is the rear seat usability. The doors open almost 90 degrees, and with a flat floor and sliding seats, this thing is perfect for families, elderly passengers, or even small delivery businesses. It's incredibly versatile. Pricing is expected to stay competitive, starting from around 1.6 million yen in Japan, which makes it a great value considering all the upgrades. Suzuki knows its audience, and they're not trying to turn the Spacia into something it's not. Instead, they've made it better in every single way that counts. So whether you're living in a crowded city or just looking for something fun, efficient, and ultra-practical, the 2026 Suzuki Spacia is absolutely worth keeping an eye on. It's one of those cars that proves small doesn't mean boring. That's it for today's video. Drop a like if you enjoyed this look at the new Spacia, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates on the latest cars. See you in the next one.